A big win at the U.S. Supreme Court for the state of Texas in a 6-3 ruling, the highest court in the land approving that state's new congressional map.
The left is trying to always say if you do a map that it favors the Republican Party, they always try to claim in their lawsuits that is a racist map. That is done for racial purposes. What the Supreme Court's arguing here is that there's nothing in the evidence that proves that this was drawn based off of race. It is drawn based off voting records and things of that nature, that you can't automatically assign racial bias based off of political bias.
This is a big deal because it doesn't mean you're going there to disenfranchise people intentionally. You can't do that. But what you can do is say, look, we have a really quickly developing state, especially in states that are adding seats, because like Texas is growing, Florida's growing, Tennessee is growing. It's not easy to do, by the way. You've got to then go back to the map and figure out, okay, how do we proportion like enough of this vote and how to make it look like the other districts? That's really what you're trying to do as best as possible. How do we make it look like kind of where it matches and it makes sense? But then the balance of power isn't totally upside down, if you know what I mean. So like California may be changing, but Texas is adding 5 Republican seats likely. So California isn't able to accomplish what they wanted to do, which was, outperform Texas.